how I would go about rendering a character design.
Part 2. Carrying on for part 1, I decided to try and make the lid of this bottle that's on this character's back look more like a cylinder. Then I begin to race out some of the blue at the top hand side to make it look more like glass, so it'll be see-through. And then I go to refine the shapes of the lid. So the green area, I've refined that and liquefied it a little bit so it's more straight and symmetrical. I've also added in some shines and darkness to the headdress and into the hair. This will allow the forms to read, so using a light and dark color on the turns of the form to create like a cylindrical feel again, because cylinders are way more important in character design and skin rendering than you'd think they were originally, and the same goes for spheres. Liquefying areas of the design that are not symmetrical, some highlights to the glass bottle and some highlights to the gems, as well as adding some shadows and highlights to the shorts underneath the skirt. I make the holes more see-through to the belt, then I make some changes to the eyes because I was unhappy with them. Like and follow for part 3.